Oh my God, we're here. Where are we, Curtis?
Tron.
Tron, baby. We are finally riding after how many years? 3, 4, 5. I lost count. That's how long it took Disney to build this. But I am super excited. I know you are. And let's get in there. I got the chest mount. We're going to rock this out and have some fun. Let's take a walk through the queue. Now make sure you remember it's presented by Enterprise, y'all.
Don't pick you up.
They'll pick you up. We're going in. We're going in. Curtis, we're in the grid.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized.
Whoop. Very nice. We're so close. It's right there. It's right there. Oh, I'm so excited. We are digitized. Oh. Let's go. Let's go.
Tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users. Kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you.
Front row, baby. Front row. What do you think so far?
The aesthetics is amazing.
Dude, I literally feel like I'm in Tron. Like, it's amazing. This is just absolutely amazing. Front row, GoPro, let's do this.
Here's a little bit of the POV footage I got from the front row. I think the back row is better, so you'll see later on in the video, you can see the whole ride. But this is the POV of the launch. Let's go.
Okay, just got off. Front row, baby. Hell yeah, that was amazing. I like it better than Guardians. I really do.
Yeah.
Phenomenal.
Yep.
And we're gonna do a wraparound. We're gonna do a wraparound. Wraparound. Oh yeah, it's time to ride. Back row this time, baby.
So as you know, YouTube demonetizes videos, so obviously this song is not being played while riding the ride. I wanted to show the POV footage from the back of the train for the full ride. I think personally it was a better view than what you would have saw on the front of the train view. You get to see more, and I hope you guys enjoyed this view.
What can I say? That was phenomenal. There's a train coming. But guys, amazing. So much fun. Front row, honestly, the best there is. But I did like the back row, but what do you think? Front or back?
I like the front better.
I think, I mean, 60 miles an hour coming through here. Front row, absolutely amazing. When you get a chance, come out and ride it. I honestly, I like this better than Guardians. I'm gonna say it.
It's definitely better than Guardians.
It's way better. I think there's just so much going on in Guardians that I can't keep up with it with my ADH head. But here comes another train. So as you can see, they're pumping out trains pretty quick. It's running 7 trains. Hopefully, I'm trying to keep up with the count here, but phenomenal, guys. Enjoy the footage I'm about to show you from outside. Can we just appreciate the lighting for this? It's just so beautiful. Like, oh, and it's back to blue. Launch a train. Ah, I just want a train in the orange. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Let's try to get up to 500 subscribers by June. We can do it, guys. And again, thanks for watching, guys. Almost forgot, I have gained 20 new subscribers. So to all my new subscribers, thank you, guys. Hope you guys enjoy some more content coming soon with this guy.